Spanish Mountain gold sits 6 kilokilometers from likely in the Cariboo region of British Columbia, a belt with a long placer gold history and emerging hard rock gold potential. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. This channel is educational only and not financial or investment advice. The focus is geology, history, resource context, jurisdiction, and public disclosures. This is my first video of this kind. I'm a BC geologist who follows various exploration companies. I'll try to cover a range of projects, but I had to start somewhere. I chose Spanish Mountain because it was the first project I worked on as a student geologist in 2010. Likely's mining history dates back to the Cariboo gold rush, following gold discoveries on the Quesnel River in the 1850s. The area saw significant placer mining, including hydraulic operations like the Bullion Pit, which remains a notable historical site today. Placer gold was mined from creeks draining Spanish Mountain prior to 1921, including rich discoveries at Cedar Creek. These placer deposits later motivated exploration for a hard rock source. In 1933, gold-bearing quartz veins were discovered on Spanish Mountain. These veins were locally high-grade, sometimes containing coarse visible gold, but they were narrow, discontinuous, and podiform, occurring in isolated chutes rather than continuous lenses. Subsequent exploration showed that Spanish Mountain hosts a sediment-hosted vein system, a subtype of orogenic gold deposit. Mineralization occurs both as disseminated gold within altered sedimentary rocks and within structurally controlled quartz veins. The project lies within the Quesnel terrain, a major accreted island arc terrain that runs through central British Columbia and hosts many of the province's significant gold and copper deposits. Sediment-hosted vein deposits typically form along structural trends in folded sedimentary belts. At Spanish Mountain, gold occurs with sulfides such as pyrite, galena, sphalerite, and chalcopyrite. Alteration halos, including carbonate and sericite, reflect extensive hydrothermal fluid flow. Graphitic argillite is present in parts of the deposit. Graphite can complicate mineral processing because it tends to float in flotation circuits and can reduce separation efficiency if not carefully managed. This is a common metallurgical challenge in gold deposits hosted by carbonaceous rocks. The latest consolidated NI 43101 estimate outlines approximately 4.16 million ounces of gold in the measured and indicated categories, with an additional 512,000 ounces inferred, at an average grade of roughly 0.44 GTAO. A smaller satellite zone known as Phoenix contributes an additional inferred resource of about 357,000 ounces. Spanish Mountain is characterized by a low to moderate average grade distributed over a very large tonnage, with localized higher grade quartz veins superimposed on the broader system. The bulk disseminated mineralization forms the backbone of the current open pit resource model. In contrast, the higher grade vein zones can locally enhance grade, but their discontinuous nature means they do not currently dominate the overall resource. From a development perspective, this creates a balance between scale and grade optimization, where structural targeting may influence early mine planning and economics. The project benefits from all-weather road access and nearby power, with producing mines such as Mount Polley and Gibraltar in the region. This reduces greenfield infrastructure risk compared to more remote projects. British Columbia is a Tier 1 mining jurisdiction, but permitting requirements are rigorous. Following the Mount Polley tailings failure, regulatory standards for tailings design and water management were significantly strengthened. Spanish Mountain has undergone a management transition, with Peter Marr now serving as President and CEO. The current strategy emphasizes re-evaluating geological controls and targeting extensions and higher grade zones, rather than focusing solely on baseline resource definition. The company has approximately 490 million basic shares outstanding, with additional options and warrants. Eric Sprott has previously been disclosed as a significant shareholder, though dilution remains a key consideration for long-dated development projects. In late 2025, the company reported drilling results extending trends such as the Orca Fault, with multiple intercepts grading roughly 0.8 to 0.9 GT gold over tens of meters. These results suggest potential for scale and continuity beyond the current model. That's Spanish Mountain Gold, a Cariboo project with deep placer roots, structural complexity, and significant open pit potential. If you'd like to learn more, the company website includes detailed technical presentations. The stock trades under the symbol TSXV SPA. Let me know in the comments which junior you'd like covered next, and whether you prefer future episodes to lean more geological or more investor focused. If you found this useful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing.